sorry, baby, but that line at the TLC was ridiculous.
I cooked for hours.
Look, all right.
The wine, the satin. I even bought candles.
No, do you realize what I had to go through to get that hack license?
I won't be late.
Yeah, well, you better not be. Because today I pulled out all the stops.
Baby, I promise I won't. For real.
5 o'clock at the restaurant.
All units, robbery in progress. Manhattan Savings and Loan, 36 and Broadway, suspect armed.
Freeze, police officer! I'm gonna need your car for a